Hi everyone, welcome to the Panasonic Kitchen. Today is a real crowd pleaser, loaded baked potatoes. This is one of my favorite recipes when I'm craving something indulgent and cheesy. We'll be using the 4-in-1 combination oven for today's recipe. This combo oven offers next level cooking convenience. It has 4 cooking methods: steaming, baking, microwaving, and broiling. This ensures that all your meals are cooked or reheated to perfection. Once the potatoes are cooking, the filling is really easy to make. You're going to want to start with 2 potatoes, bacon, chives, cream cheese, and some shredded cheese. Select convection mode, set temperature, and press start to preheat. Pierce the potatoes a few times on each side. Wrap in foil. Place on the baking sheet. And cook for about an hour and 15 minutes or until tender. I've already cooked my bacon, so we're going to combine the cream cheese, the chives, and the bacon. I like to leave some for garnish later on, and then salt and pepper. When the potatoes are ready, you want to unwrap them from the foil carefully, as they'll be really hot. We'll cut the potato in half. Scoop some of the potato, keeping the skin whole. We'll add it to the cream cheese mixture and mash nice and well together. So now we'll scoop some of the mixture back into the potatoes. Now don't worry if some of the skin has torn off. Use the filling to just glue it back together like I am. We'll sprinkle some cheese on top. The more the better. And then we'll throw it back in the oven. We'll bake for 10 minutes back on the tray or until the cheese is melted. And now we wait. All right, it's time to check on our potatoes. Oh, look at that, the melted cheese. Smells amazing. Really careful here. Wow. All right, let's load these potatoes with some garnish. I'm a huge sour cream fan. Lather it in sour cream there. Of course, a bit more cheese. And that bacon from earlier. Add a bit of that. And top her off with some chives. Look at that, beautiful. All right, well, we gotta try it. Oh, that melted cheese, look at that. Oh, that was just delicious. I used to love these during the off season. I'm gonna have some friends over now because I need an excuse to make these again. Thanks again. Until next time. So for this recipe, we'll be using the 4-in-1 combination oven. This combo oven offers next level, the 4-in-1 convection oven, combination oven. We'll be using the 4-in-1 combination oven. This combo, we'll be using the 4-in-1 combination oven. Next level convenient cooking convenience. And then start the oven. How do the pros do this?
Panasonic.